Get ready to be amazed because this you won't believe what stumbled is officially taking over the internet. The viral item is literally everywhere right now. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that the engineering behind it is brilliant. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it makes your daily routine effortless. No more wasting your hard-earned cash on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity today without any delay. Get ready to be amazed because this you won't believe what stumbled is officially taking over the internet.